How to change your alarm sounds on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can change your alarm sounds on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to change your alarm sounds on the iPhone, open up the clock app from where you set alarms. Then simply come to alarm here. Then once you've done that, you will see all the sorts of options. Here, if you tap on edit, here you can see a couple of options. Now, an alarm needs to be active first. Once you've activated a certain alarm, to change the sound, tap on that. You have to tap on that alarm, right? So you need to make sure it's active. Then there you'll find the sound option. So from here you can choose other sounds of the alarm that you want to change to. Now, other way you can do it is also from the settings way, but you can also do it right from here. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.